In this video, we're going to talk about 4 things to consider when choosing an executor. You see, when choosing an executor, it's important that you take your time and consider your options carefully, as your decision could have a significant effect on how well and fast your estate is distributed and how much inheritance tax will be paid. First of all, should you have only the one executor or more than one? Although many people prefer to keep it simple by naming only one executor, it can often be useful to have more than one in case the individual dies before you do. 2. Do they have any specialist experience or skills? Someone who is experienced in probate law, general law, or finance will find it easier to handle the distribution of your estate when the time comes. For this reason, some people will nominate an organization, as well as a loved one, to be executors. However, a responsible, trusted person within your family is also ideal, particularly if they have some legal or financial knowledge. 3. Will they be happy to take on the responsibility of being an executor? Without doubt, being an executor of an estate is a very responsible job, and the individual can be held personally responsible if it's not carried out correctly and thoroughly according to English law. It is therefore advisable to approach the person and ask whether they would be comfortable with being an executor before you formally nominate them within your will. Finally, fourthly, will they receive any reward for being an executor? It's easy and comfortable for us to choose someone responsible from within our family to act as our executor, particularly if they are a responsible person and/or have a relevant skill set which can be applied to the role of executor. However, if they're not also named as beneficiary in your will, this can prove a little awkward and may generate feelings of resentment. After all, acting as executor can mean endless phone calls to financial institutions, a great deal of paperwork, and often a degree of investigation. Although it will be your final request, it does have enormous consequences, and so it seems only fair that the person you nominate is compensated in some way. We hope that information has been useful to you.